Helo, Rhidian sy'n yma o'r gwasanaeth ieuenctid. Dim ond neges sydyn i ddeud bod ni yma ar gael iddo chi os da chi eisiau cysylltu efo ni. Da ni yma dros yr gwefannau cymdeithasol i gyd, neu mae posib gyrru e-bost neu yn rhaid ffonio. Mi wna i roid y manylion i gyd mewn link efo'r fideo yma. Mi fydden ni hefyd o wsos nesaf ymlaen fel staff yn derbyn sialensau gwahanol gennych chi bobl ifanc y sir. Felly, os da chi'n gallu meddwl am sialens mae rhywun yn gallu gwneud yn y tŷ, gyrwch ymlaen, gyrwch neges iddyn ni, a mi fydden ni'n pigo rhai gorau ac yn trio i cyflawni nhw yn ystod y diwrnodau nesaf. Hello, just a quick message from me here, Rhidian, from the Youth Service. Just to remind you that we are here to have a chat with you if needed. You can still contact us. You can email us, or you can give us a ring, or you can even contact us through the various social media accounts that the Youth Service have. Over the next couple of days and next couple of weeks, we will be participating in challenges. So if you can think of a different challenge for us to try and complete, please send your suggestions along and we'll pick the best ones and we'll try and do it, and we'll make a little video of ourselves trying to complete the challenges. Just cofiwch chi gadw'n saff a gydych ar ôl eich hunain. Just keep safe and look after yourself and look after the vulnerable people in your community, and then hopefully when all this is over we'll see you very soon.